Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install OpenCode CLI on VS Code. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. First of all, you have to go to the browser and you have to download VS Code. So I'm assuming that you can download VS Code, and now let me show you how you can actually install OpenCode CLI on it. So go for the OpenCode CLI GitHub, search it, okay, and go for the github.com, then SST, then OpenCode. Okay, so open this link, and here you can see we have OpenCode here. If you scroll a little bit down, and here you will find installation section, and from here we are going to install this through this command. Okay, but here you can see we have npm. It means Node.js need to be installed in your PC. So if you want to install Node.js, you have to go to the nodejs.org, but before that you have to check that if you have Node.js installed in your PC or not. So go for the command prompt and type here node-v. If you don't get this, I mean the version, it means you don't have installed Node.js in your PC. So go for the nodejs.org, Node.js.org. If you search it, and you will find nodejs.org, go there and click here get Node.js, select any long-term support version. Okay, current version is 25. Don't go with this, go with the long-term support version, and then download this .msi. So you have to install it, that's it. Then you will get Node.js in your PC. Now you can run this command. So copy this and go for the VS Code. I have opened my VS Code here. You can see, just go for the terminal, and here if I right click on it, it will be paste. Here you can see, and hit enter, and here you can see it start installing. Now I want to delete this, and I want to open the terminal once again, and now my terminal is inside the all project test OpenCode CLI. Now if I say here OpenCode and hit enter, the OpenCode will be open here. Here you go. Now if I ask for anything, it will actually do this for me. Let's say I want to say here that create a index.html file and make a portfolio website for me. It should be simple. Color should be yellow and orange combination. Add CSS and JavaScript also. Hit enter, and we just have to wait for some times, and it will actually create all the necessary files for this project. Here you can see all the 3 steps. So it's going with the first step. When the first step will be complete, it will be tick mark, and then it will actually go for the second one and third one and fourth one. Now you can actually give here multiple prompt, so it all, I mean all the prompt will be queued. Okay, I mean when you actually give all the prompt, it will be actually queued, and it will actually execute one by one. Here you can see the first one is done, so tick marked, and now the second one is working, and after that it will actually go for the third one. So this is how actually you can do this. Now let's say in my project I have some issues, so you can actually solve these issues. I mean you don't have to actually write any code, you don't have to go for the chat GPT. You just have to actually give here the error. I mean you just have to copy the error and then paste it here, and then you just have to say that create solutions for them, or I mean remove the errors, right? So it will actually do all the rest of the things for you. I mean you don't have to write any code here. This is really awesome, right? So that's it guys, but let me show you the project, and here you go, all the 3 steps done here. Here you can see. Now if I click here, I got index.html, then script.js, and then style.css, and here you can see it's still working here. So now here you can see done. All right, open index.html in your browser to view portfolio. So we are not going to open from the browser, we are going to open from here. So to open from here, we need a extension here. So we are going to say here that live preview. Okay, and here this is the extension we are going to use, install. All right, so we have installed it. Now let's go to the file once again, and here somewhere we will actually find this. All right, so select it, and I will click here, and here we go. Wow, we got a nice, really nice website for us, right? Here you can see this is really simple, but if you need advanced, you can actually go with this. I mean you can give here nice prompt. I mean, it depends on your prompt. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.